Namaskar, welcome to Government e-Marketplace. Today, we are going to walk through the process of uploading images for your products on. The image upload process on the Government e-Marketplace, GeM, plays a crucial role in ensuring product visibility, credibility, and compliance with procurement standards. Here's a more detailed breakdown. So, why are product images so important on GeM? There are three main reasons. First, enhances product appeal. High-quality images improve buyer confidence and engagement. Standardization ensures uniform presentation across listings, maintaining professionalism, compliance and verification, prevents misleading representations and ensures authenticity. Before you can upload any images, you must first complete all the other tabs in the product catalog. The Upload Images tab will only become active after all the other required information is filled out. To ensure your images are approved, you need to follow a few critical guidelines. The width of the images should not be less than 1000 by 1000 pixels and the file size should be between 100 to 300 kilobytes. Only .jpg and .png shall be acceptable. At least 50%, approx, of the image frame should be filled by the product, ensuring maximum visibility and clarity. Similarly, for second and third images, at least 35%, approx, frame should be covered. A seller must upload 3 distinct, sharp, well-exposed images of the product from different angles, example, front, back, side, top, interior, and close-ups, to showcase its features, technology, or design. For exceptional cases where 3 distinct images are not possible, relevant, the discretion for image approval shall be with the GeM team. Rotated images in the name of 3 different images are also not acceptable. A white background is required for all product images. However, for white products, a light gray background may be used to provide contrast and enhance visibility. For exceptional cases, the discretion for image approval shall be with the GeM team. There should be no reflections or shadows. Proportionate margins around the product must be maintained for visual balance and appeal, and relevant images must be uploaded as per the technical specifications. There should be no human presence in the images. Seller must follow the category-specific Special Terms and Conditions (STC) defined in the category for any additional information, requirement regarding image guidelines for that category. Any such guideline in the category STC shall supersede the general guidelines for images, in case of any contradiction. Seller should not Photoshop or edit images in a way that distorts the original appearance of the product. There should be no borderline, outline in the image. Product descriptions, certifications, or specifications should not be added to the product image. These details should be included separately in the listing. No seller details must be visible in the image like contact, name, etc. A few categories such as food, FMCG, etc. may be exception. Final decision shall be at the discretion of GeM team for such categories. There should be no additional text in the images such as not for sale, sample only, etc. Seller should not upload partial product images, diagrams, or sketches. The entire product, diagrams or sketches must be clearly visible in the frame. Seller should not upload images of product packaging, cartons, or outer boxes. The focus should remain on the actual product. In the case of chemicals, fertilizer, etc., the containers must be photographed as well. A few categories such as food, FMCG, etc. may be an exception. Final decision for image approval shall be at the discretion of GeM team for such categories. Only one product should be shown per image, except in the case of multi-product kits, where images should clearly showcase the contents and pack size. A seller should avoid graphical or computer-generated images, unless they are high-quality images used for highly technical products such as electrical, structural items, etc., where real-world images may not be available or able to show the product details. To know more about image upload guidelines, please click here. These are the image upload guidelines. Once the tab is active, you'll see a screen with 3 distinct slots for your images. You can upload up to 3 images for each product: a front view, a side, top, back view, and a close-up other view. Remember, all three images must be distinct and unique from different angles to give buyers a complete view of your product. What happens if you try to upload the same image for all three slots? The system will highlight it as an error and a red banner will appear at the top of the page with the message, "Please upload distinct images." If for any reason, your catalog or images are rejected by the GEM admin, you can find the reason under the Notified Products tab. Simply click on the product to see the specific reason for rejection. This allows you to make the necessary corrections and resubmit your images for approval. Here are the key takeaways for this module. The Upload Image tab will only be available once the seller updates all catalog information tabs. Seller can upload 3 different images of the product from different angles such as front, back, top, side, back, interior, close-ups, or to show off the technology or science behind your product. Seller can view the reason for rejected images under Notified Product tab. Thank you.